Hak Shillong Mail kan don baik ke Jingbakla bat kumta don kamban pen baik eka. Bat kani ke khubor ka bangin pen shapi ka de lor ka Jingbudien ba ka Jingshitom jong ka wei ka Khyllung badang arsnem prabnai ka ba ka don menta padang Sumar Nazareth Hospital Shillong. Hak ba pen kani ka khubor ka arpho terek na Ïing arajar rupsau. Nagaliang Shillong Mail ulabu ka Jingkentu halor ka Jingnon kamban tip bat ke Sumar kabala kentu bahasua ban pendi kinu kita wai don kamban le shwai kites kenang makanum kata apat da kumwe bat kamet ubrio perhatian ke Jingbudien ni kini khubor ni kwaru pen pensngau bahaba shem bagadon ke Jingshitom kabala Khyllung kalong kabadon kam ban hap Phah kirke shiki jaka Sumar kibla biang nadong shedong bat kitiar gitar bat kumjuru yaki long Ïing long sem bakim dei ban slem ban rai bat ka jingjiet iki jaka Sumar hakar phoi terek unai Ïing arajar psau kata hadien bakaladon ka jing ya penbet bor baka doctor in charge ka boirumbong community health center ka Dr. Bisangma hakasngi kabla peni ya ka khubor kabla don ka jingkeno naka kami bat ki bahayeng baka don ka Sumar bakla bat ka Khyllung ka kenhonu Shillong Mail kala hiar sya ketika jaka banwat jingtep ka babanya ka jingkeno ka badon ka dei ba wei na doctor ka community health center boirumbong riboy district ulakum bakla ka jing Sumar ka bakani ka long kami ka bana ka shnong lum sok ping bat ka bla ithu kerteng kum ka kong bala kintiu shla banong baka khon ka bashitom kala shitom jorde naga jing inject klem da examen ka bakala lej ban Phah Sumar ya ka khon jongka namar ka Jingshitom pin hiar bat pre nagba pentep baka Jingshitom kalang nang jor shushu adien bala dab ban inject ka bau doktor uklem pentep ya ka daw bat ban chupitha ya ka ban rano ya ka ni ka Khyllung shikiwei pat di hospital habayo ban ya kren baka doctor in charge bat ban sngap ya ka case history kumbala batai da ka Dr. Bisangma ka baklem don pat ha ka te ka hospital la kite kisngi bala wan Sumar ya ka te ka Khyllung lala ban sngotu baka don ka Jingbakla Baroh Arliang ka baningkong ka longbu doctor ba Sumar ka te ka Khyllung ulakum Jinpynslem haga Sumar bat ban betha ban lejno shakwe ke jaka Sumar de tat hadien enda katega Khyllung kala Jingshitom baka case history ka pensngo baka Khyllung kala long liturgic kata ban duna ban ringmensiem panagwe ka liang pat ka dei ka Jingbomla ban ai rai ka Ïing ka sem la enra shanoi ka Khyllung war hadien bautau doktor ula deb ban pensngo ba ya ka Khyllung la don kam ban ra kirki shakiwe ki jaka Sumar ka bana ka Ïing ki kwa shaganis das hospital kadba ka CHC pat kapatha shanegrims bat hadien Jingpynslem bakin sa ai ka rai banra shan Nazareth Hospital
katkum ka news balami menin ha Shillong Mail ha ka bayade bat ka jingjam ya itu Khyllung tengakum ka doctor in charge jong boirumbong CHC ngakwa ban pensyai kumni mo te ka case history ngamut ngakwa ban pensyai da ka case history. The patient on 15/11/2024 at around 3:53 p.m. came to emergency department with chief complaints of fever, loose stool, 2 episodes, and vomiting 4 episodes for 1 day. The patient was examined by doctor on duty and found that her vitals were stable with temperature of 97.3 degree Fahrenheit recorded and with mild dehydration, and weight of the child was 12 kg. On systemic examination, all the systems were within normal limit. After the examination, the treatment given to the patient were injection onden and injection S-lock. And the child was treated symptomatically with oral medications and was discharged from emergency department. And at around, however, the patient came back on 16/11/2024 at around 12:38 a.m. in the morning with complaints of loose stool, multiple episodes, generalized weakness, and fever with chills for 1 day. On examination, the doctor on duty found that the vitals were stable and the systemic examination was within normal limit. An IV line could be still accessed and the temperature was recorded as 99 degree Fahrenheit. So we have connected, so the doctor on duty connected IV fluid, NS 250 ml, which was followed by IVF Leclite P 250 ml, and then injection Metron in 8 ml IV TDS was given, and injection ceftriaxone 300 mg IV stat was given after negative skin tests, and the skin test for the injection was negative. Injection S-lock 0.5 ml was given, and injection onden 0.8 ml IV SOS was prescribed, and ORS as tolerated, and to continue the same oral medication as it was advised in the previous evening when the child came to emergency department. And the blood test advice for the patient was blood malarial parasite for malarial parasite, Widal and scrub. At around 9 a.m. on 16/11, 2024, the doctor on duty received a call from the staff nurse on duty regarding the patient being restless and irritable. And the doctor on duty saw the case and found that the child was lethargic and irritable and looked cyanose. And when the saturation was recorded, the SpO2 was only 89% RA, room air. So the staff on duty connected O2 with nasal prong at the rate of 2 liters, and SpO2 on oxygen was 93%. And the patient party at that time was counseled to go to higher center for further investigations and management to seek better treatment. The patient party wanted to go to GDH initially, but the doctor on duty advised them to go to Nigrims, but the patient party refused, and they said that they want to discuss regarding the hospital that they want to go. So after some time, they came back and told the doctor on duty that they want to go to Nazareth Hospital. And then the doctor on duty had to call 108 for the confirmation of vehicle and had to wait for the patient party decision, okay, to which hospital to go. The doctor on duty contacted Nazareth Hospital for confirmation of bed and sent detailed information regarding the patient, whereby from the Nazareth Hospital they confirmed the case and then asked the patient to bring there. So from at around 10 a.m., the patient was dispatched from here, referred from here by 108. Kila ble examination ru kilale, but kilale shaban ai ka injection ru nilale ka skin test, kata kadi ka injection ceftriaxone, kadi ka antibiotics, the hadin bangi layo ka negative report tingi ai ka injection. Kat bangi don kam ban ai ka treatment nang ni conservative but symptomatic treatment. Kat kum ka jingla ka bor jong CHC tingi la ai hi pan bahaya Khyllung tang ba at around 9 a.m. pada Khyllung ilong restless, ilong irritable, but on examination kalong saturation kalong low, we had to refer it to a higher center for immediate for better treatment. Hangi idon AGE Ïing acute gastroenteritis with severe dehydration with shortness of breath.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka Jingshitom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jingmantoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya